My father. My father is my hero and my best friend. He is the best person in my life. He loves me and always takes care of me and my family. He works hard. He goes to work every day to earn money for us. He helps me in my studies. He teaches me new things and tells me good stories. He tells me bedtime stories. He plays with me and takes me to the park. He is very kind. He helps poor people and always respects elders. He teaches me good manner. He tells me to always speak the truth and be kind to others. He spends time with me. He takes us on trips. Sometimes he takes our family on vacations and picnics. He tells me to be honest, kind, and hardworking. He brings me gifts. On my birthday, he always surprises me with wonderful presents. He is my role model. I am proud of my father. I want to be like him when I grow up. He is the best father in the world. I love him very much.